Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up EV charging schedules with Amazon Alexa routines easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Amazon Alexa device is set up and connected to your home Wi-Fi. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone. Tap on the More option located at the bottom right corner of the app. Select Routines from the menu options that appear. In the Routines section, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new routine. You will see a prompt that says, "When this happens." Tap on it to select a trigger for your routine. Choose Schedule to set a specific time when this routine will activate. Select the days of the week you want this routine to occur. Next, choose the time you want the routine to start. Once you've set the schedule, tap on Add Action to define what you want Alexa to do. Scroll down and select Smart Home, then choose your EV charger from the list of devices. Select the action you want Alexa to perform, such as turn on or start charging. After adding the action, tap Next to review your routine settings. Give your routine a name that is easy to remember but specific enough for your needs. Once everything looks good, tap Save to finalize your routine. Your EV charging schedule is now backed up with the Alexa routine you created. Repeat these steps to add more schedules or modify existing ones as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.